Alright guys, so best laid plans, right? I wanted to replace this very quickly with a 3D printed part, but you know what? In life, you don't always get what you want, so did a very fast unboxing of this thing. It's kind of similar to this one, but it feels super light, although this is metal here, and the one that's in there is actually made out of plastic. So I'll just take that cover off. And hopefully we'll be able to switch this out really fast and move on with life. Alright, you just need to turn this and unscrew it. As you've seen me do, it goes in there. And it looks like I got the wrong one. That's genius. That's genius. Okay. That is not going to do.
Likey.